Are you doing dry January and want to try something that contains no alcohol, no calories, and is hoppy? Well, hop water checks all three of those boxes, and this is by far my favorite flavor. But this brand comes in at $9.99 a 6-pack, so I want to see if I can make it at home for cheaper for this dry January. Now the ingredients are simple. It's carbonated water mixed with Citra hops, and the double dry hop variant also comes with citric acid. So let's get started on how to make this. The first step is to heat up the water to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to do this in my electric kettle, and then I'm going to add 2 gallons of reverse osmosis water. Next, for the hops, I'm going to add 1 ounce of Citra per gallon of water. So in this case, 2 ounces of Citra goes directly into the bottom of my keg. And next, I'm just going to simply pour the hot water over the hops, and it's almost like a dip hopping method to allow the hot water to extract the flavor over time, but not any astringency. The last thing to do is add 1 ounce of hops into a dry hopping bag inside with a sous vide magnet and stick it so it sticks to the side of the keg. Then I'll seal up the keg, purge the headspace with a little bit of CO2 about 3 times, and leave the hop water to steep overnight at around 10 psi. After 24 hours, I place the keg in my cold garage, which its ambient temperature was about 44 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 48 hours from the start, I drop the hops in a solution to do my pseudo dry hopping. After 5 days, I close transfer the hop water into a clean, purged keg and set the PSI to around 12 PSI for serving, and here's the result. Now I did a taste test side by side with the dry hopped and the Citra hop water with my homemade version, and I found it was nearly identical to the Citra one that comes in a can. But to try to get that dry hopped variant, I think next time I'm going to add a little bit of citric acid into the water. So was this actually cheaper than the commercial variant that I bought at the store? So for the keg version, it was 35 cents per gallon of the RO water, making it 70 cents for the water total. And I added 3 ounces of Citra hops at $2.50 an ounce, which means this whole batch cost me $8.20, which makes it about 4 cents per ounce of hop water. Meanwhile, the Citra cans were $9.99 for a 6-pack of 12-ounce cans, which is about 13 cents per ounce, making the homemade version 3 times cheaper than the store-bought version. So I call that a win. And if you want to see more videos on how to make hop water, click one of the videos on the screen now. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.